Hello everybody, here we have different Fire Sticks. So this one is 4K, this one is regular Fire Stick. This is a packaging, older packaging for regular Fire Stick. So now everybody's selling this one. So and this is light, so this is similar to this one is cheaper. It doesn't have these buttons over here and like some difference over here. So this is light, and today we're going to unbox this one, 4K Fire Stick. Okay, this is supposedly the best one. They also have Fire Cube, which is very expensive and not so popular. So this is very popular, and let's see what's inside. So it comes like this, with seal like this with arrows. Sometimes it may come in a plastic bag, sometimes without. It doesn't matter. So let's see here. Have UPC, works with Alexa. So here is what it comes with: Fire Stick 4K, remote, batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI cable. Okay, HDMI extender cable, not the long cable. So it's not so easy to open it like this. So we're gonna use a knife. So we're gonna use a knife like this. Okay, opens. Comes nicely packaged like this, and we can open it. Here we have power adapter, Amazon brand, of course. Fire Sticks belong, it's Amazon brand. Then we have over here we have the stick. For best performance use included power adapter. Okay, let's look at it. This Amazon. This is for power. This is HDMI. You stick it into your TV. Okay. Remote. Now let's compare it to light. So I have like extra button here, buttons over here. This 6 the same, and like over here button. Okay, let's open. Extra plastic over here. Okay, can open for batteries. I have two batteries over here like this, Amazon branded. Amazon Basics. I don't know who makes them for Amazon. It's probably written somewhere here. I don't know. Made in China. Okay. So two batteries. And we have quick start guide. This is 4K Fire Stick, so it says 4K over here. 1 year food. 1 year of food network kitchen on us. I'm not sure what that. Okay. Here's a manual. Looks like this. And we have charging cord. Okay, so this one will stick up in here. Okay, and this one to the charger. Okay, so it stays plugged in. And we have a cord. This one extender, right? So this one goes into TV. Interesting. Okay. Or we can do like this, right? Put it like this, depending on how your TV is in the back over there. You may need this one. That's it. That's all it comes with. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.